Last week, a mega deal happened in the financial world, wherein Facebook agreed to buy a stake in the Reliance Industries owned Reliance Jio platform. Since this is a very important event, I wanted to share with you all an analysis of what is going to change with the happening of this deal. Hi everyone and welcome back to Shalika Sharma Stories, a channel where we talk about knowledge enhancing topics. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Before we discuss about this deal in detail, first let us see what is Reliance Industries in detail. First of all, let us talk about the business verticals of this company. The business verticals of this company are mainly 6 in total. First is the refining and marketing. Second one is petrochemicals. The third one is oil and gas. Next is organized retail, then digital services and others. The percentage share of each of these divisions in revenue terms is refining has a 49% share, petrochemicals 25%, oil and gas 1%, organized retail 21%, digital services 1% and others account for 3%. So basically Reliance Jio falls under the category of digital services. Before we go deep into the details of this deal, let us see what will be the before and after scenario of this deal. So, before the happening of this deal, Reliance Industries has a 100% share in Reliance Jio. Whereas, after Facebook coming into the picture, Reliance Industries will hold only 90.1% share in Reliance Jio and Facebook is going to be the owner of 9.99% shares in the company Reliance Jio. And now we come back to a very important and the most crucial question: why is this deal happening? So let us go back a few years, mainly 4 years back, when Reliance Industries made an entry into the telecom business and started Reliance Jio. It made a huge amount of investment in Reliance Jio and in other verticals as well. It took a huge amount of debt. Let us see in an excerpt from the balance sheet how the debt has increased massively in the last 4 years. You can see here how the borrowings have increased from 12% to 10% and finally in the previous year it increased to a whopping 28%. Of course, this debt was taken to make a huge amount of investment in all these businesses, but let us look at how this huge debt is impacting the profit and loss statement of Reliance Industries. If you have a look into the profit and loss account, you will see how from March 2017 to March 18 the interest expense, that is the interest which the company is paying on this debt, has increased almost twice. It has doubled up. Again from March 18 to March 19 it has again doubled from 8,000 crores to 16,500 crores. That's a huge amount and that is why it is affecting the profitability of the company. And that is precisely why in the AGM which was held in August 2019, Mr. Mukesh Ambani had assured the investors that within the next 18 months, that is by March 2021, the company is going to become net debt free and consequently its earnings will increase. I'm going to give the link of this AGM in the description box below. I would suggest please do go through this particular video. Now let us see what is the roadmap that Mr. Mukesh Ambani suggested to make Reliance Industries zero net debt company. So the first pointer was the deal to sell 20% stake in RIL's oil and petrochemicals business to Saudi's Aramco for rupees 1.1 lakh crores, which is around $15 billion. But the important point to note here is that this deal is likely to get delayed because of COVID-19 and the crude oil price crash. In my previous video, I have already discussed about the crash of the crude oil prices in the recent week. If you want to go and watch this video, please refer the link given in the description box below. Now, let us look what is the second step in this roadmap. This is the particular deal that we are talking about, with Facebook Inc. buying a stake in Reliance Jio. So, Facebook is going to buy 9.99% stake with rupees 43,574 crores rupees, which is approximately $5.7 billion. And that is why the stake of Reliance Industries will go down to 90.1%. This deal will thus help the company to reduce its debt and also the interest expense, which will increase its profitability automatically. And that is why the investors are going to experience higher profits and definitely higher earning per share. And finally, let us see what will be the benefit of this deal to Facebook. Now, as we all know that Reliance Jio is the largest telecom operator in India today, followed by Airtel. Now, Facebook wants to do a massive and one-shot entry into the Indian subscriber base, and what better than to collaborate with the company that is having the largest subscriber base in the country, that is Reliance Jio, and that is why this deal has finally materialized. This is a big foreign direct investment which has come to India in the recent times, and when two such big giants come together, there are bound to be synergies in the business. We hope more such collaborations come to the country so that it becomes a win-win situation for all of us. If you found this video to be helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel Shalika Sharma Stories. Thanks for watching.